होप आप सब अच्छे ही होंगे। सो बेसिकली आज मैं कुछ लिखने वाली नहीं हूँ, बस एक्सप्लेन करने वाली हूँ। बहुत लोगों को कन्फ्यूजन होता है हार्ट अटैक और कार्डियक अरेस्ट में। कोई कोई तो कहते हैं ये दोनों सिमिलर है। सो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है हार्ट अटैक वर्सेस कार्डियक अरेस्ट, उसी के बारे में आज बात करने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स सी। सो व्हाई इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू नो अबाउट कार्डियक अरेस्ट? Cardiac arrest and the cardiovascular diseases are the number one cause of death worldwide. All forms of cancer like lung cancer, liver cancer, plus breast, plus cervical, plus brain tumors, every cancer combined cause less death than the cardiac arrest and the cardiovascular disease. If someone falls in front of you, like I am talking right now, if I fall down right now, what will be your first response? Obviously, you will tap on the shoulder to see I respond or not. If we don't eat breakfast or we didn't take a particular meal and we work entire day, we might fall because of hypoglycemia or less sugar level. Hypo means less, glycine means sugar, and anemia means in blood, that is low sugar in blood. Hypoglycemia, we can fall because of the hypoglycemia. Yeah, but such patients do have a pulse, they breathe and they will respond. What's the treatment? Give them water, maybe give them lemonade. They will back to the normal. Give them sugar for show. Okay, but there are cases, people while they are talking to you, they fall to the ground. They do not have a pulse, they do not have respiration, they die. Yes, clinically or according to a layman, that is the definition of death, na? The person isn't breathing, he doesn't have a pulse, he died, right? So this is what cardiac arrest did. But we want to talk about heart attack and cardiac arrest. These two terms are different. We all have heard about cardiac arrest and we all have heard about heart attack. Heart attack, as we all know, that is decrease in the blood supply of myocardium or the heart itself. That's due to the blockage or atherosclerosis that causes the heart attack. Heart decreases its pumping action because it doesn't have that energy. Blood take that energy और हार्ट तक वो एनर्जी नहीं पहुंच पा रही है, so it decreases the heart rate or it might increases and a person complains of what we all know, that is dyspnea, that is difficulty in breathing. सांस लेने में दिक्कत आ रही है, ऐसे कहते हैं पेशेंट. They might complain of chest pain, pain along the ulnar parts of the arm and hand, pain radiating to the shoulder or jaw, or maybe complaint of radiating pain in the back or crushing type of pain. It seems like someone squeezing my chest and someone inside my chest and someone squeezing my chest inside my thoracic cavity. That's what people say. They do have a pulse, they are talking, means they are breathing and they are responding to. आपने कहा चेस्ट में पेन हो रहा है, पेशेंट से यस हाँ हो रहा है. What kind of chest pain? It's squeezing type. So they are talking to you, right? But in cardiac arrest, the person falls to the ground. No response, no heartbeat, no pulse at all. That is, and no respiration. It seems scary, na? Yes, it is scary. Because like I said, it is the most common cause of death worldwide. How to diagnose a cardiac arrest? Very, very important. Firstly, check for the response. Tap on the victim's shoulder and ask if he is okay. He will respond. If it's not cardiac arrest, rest will be the hypoglycemia or other syncopal attacks. If he does not respond, check his pulse. Everyone, look to your left side. In between your trachea and sternocleidomastoid, insert 3 fingers and press them slightly towards or on the trachea. You should feel the pulse at least. Now that's the carotid pulse. It is the easiest pulse to feel because it's of high amplitude, highest amplitude. Check for the pulse and simultaneously check for the breathing. If patient does not respond, does not have pulse, doesn't breathe, समझ लेना ये तो पक्के से कार्डियक अरेस्ट ही है. बट रिकॉल, इफ आई एम हैविंग हार्ट अटैक, आई विल हैव अ पल्स, आई विल ब्रीथ एंड आई विल टॉक. दैट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द हार्ट अटैक एंड कार्डियक अरेस्ट. Also, why I am complaining of chest pain? If you have any idea about heart attack, you will call the ambulance, your relatives or your neighbors, and you will take me to the hospital. At least you have that amount of time, 5 to 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes or 30 minutes, hoping the ambulance gets to your home early. But what about cardiac arrest? I am dead on the spot. You have to do something right there. And there's what we call CPR, that is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Cardio meaning heart, pulmonary meaning pertaining or lungs means cardio meaning heart, pulmonary means pertaining to the lungs, and resuscitation means bringing back to the life. You check for my heart, you check for my respiration, both were gone, both were dead. So you try to perform CPR and try to bring back the guy. लेकिन इसका सक्सेस रेट कितना है? Imagine you are the best CPR provider. How many % of people will resuscitate after your CPR? Another thing, we know about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, best president ever. What was he doing just before his death? Yes, he was teaching, right? He has no history of any comorbidities, no hypertension, no diabetes, nothing at all. He is very fit. What happened? He is teaching like I am. He fell to the ground, no pulse, no respiration because he was a president. He must have many security guards, paramedics also. They must do CPR, but they couldn't resuscitate him. That's why what happened? CPR is necessary for you to learn, and cardiac arrest can occur anywhere and anytime, especially to the people who have comorbidities. So this was my bit. I hope you like it. I hope I have helped you. So thank you so much, guys.